Oh, we're done.
Training them early, aren't we? Did he just bonk her?
He just whacked and punked her head.
Aww. Daddy's got him watching mountain bike videos already. Can you say hi, Cheyenne?
Hi, Cheyenne.
Alright, bud.
Can you show us your new Tinkerbell? Oh, is that Tinkerbell? She's pretty. What are you doing, Beast? Yeah, you're a big boy, aren't you? Hey, can you walk? Oh. We're going to climb on Daisy onto the couch. Can you get off Daisy there, Trouble? Mm-hmm. Hey, can you say hi? Hi. Oh, Tinkerbell's walking. Yeah. All right. Say bye-bye, Cheyenne. Are you waving? Bye-bye, Zane.
Bye, Tinkerbell.
Bye-bye, Tinkerbell. Bye-bye, Zane. You wave?
Mrs. Cheyenne.
Bye-bye, Zane.
Mrs. Cheyenne.
All right. Oh, and then he went.